Hello and welcome to Kripa Sindhu Consulting Engineers. Today I am going to demonstrate to you the project on natural mineral water plant, which has been installed by our company. This is the only company in India which has USFDA certified plant. In India, bottling water is still considered mineral water. However, it is not. So as it is actually purified and processed water with added minerals, hence called packaged drinking water and not mineral water. This is a 220 kVA transformer. This is a compressor room. We have installed oil-free screw technology FS Curtis German brand compressor. This is an electric room which controls the entire plant's power supply. Let's take you to the production room. This is called the filtration plant. As you can see, there is no RO plant or any carbon or sand filters or any disinfectant process. Since it is a natural mineral water plant, this water contains all essential natural minerals, nutrients and electrolytes, which are essential for human body. As such, pass through a simple micron filters. After filtration, the same natural mineral water is sent to be bottled. This is a completely automatic process. This is a microbiology laboratory where all kinds of bacteria, virus and fungus are tested to ensure the water is pathogen-free and safe for drinking. And this is a chemical laboratory where all necessary chemical parameters are tested to ensure it falls within the limits set by authorities. This is called a fully automatic blowing machine. This is called the preform, which is fed into the hopper, which will be converted into PET bottles automatically by this blowing machine. You can see the bottle is ready and it is automatically sent for filling without any human intervention. You can see this is a completely automatic bottle filling machine. The bottles are automatically rinsed, filled with product water and capped and sent for QC inspection. You can see this is a completely automatic batch coding machine. The manufacturing date, time and batch number are stamped on each bottle. The bottle is now moved to an automatic labeler machine for affixing labels. The bottles are finally packed in boxes and thus the box is stored here and sent for sale. This is a glass bottle filling and capping machine. After sterilizing the glass bottles in autoclave, that are sent to this machine for filling and later moves for QC inspection, batch printing, labeling and packing in boxes. I hope you understood the difference between natural mineral water and packaged bottled water. Our company has installed several plants of both categories for customers in India and abroad. Our company undertakes turnkey projects, which includes all regulatory licenses required for the project.
This plant has been installed by Kripa Sindhu Consultant. He is one of the best consultants here in Bombay, and it was very difficult because this is the first time such a natural mineral water plant has been installed in Bombay. So now he is one of the ace player in this market.
If you are looking forward to start any natural mineral water plant, provided you have the required source confirming to ISI standards or any new water plant, please contact us.